Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you how you guys can change your username on Threads. And before that, since Thread is an account which is linked with your Instagram, you cannot just change your Threads username. If you change your Threads username, the thread which is linked with your Instagram, that Instagram's username will also be changed. So in a way, you will also be changing your Instagram's username. So if you want to do that, then you can follow the steps which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to click on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you're over here, you can see the edit profile option on your profile. You want to click on edit profile. Once you do that, as you guys can see, in name it shows Richie Kevin. That's basically my Instagram name. I can click on it, and as you guys can see, your name is linked to Instagram, so I cannot change it. So what I need to do is close my Threads and open my Instagram. And on my Instagram, click on my profile picture at the bottom right. And as you guys can see, on my Instagram, it shows me the same name. Now what I can do is just click on edit profile, and inside my edit profile, my username, I can click on my username, and from over here I can change my username. So once I change my username into something I like, I can just click on done at the top and my name will be changed. But since this username is already taken, I can't change it, but you know what I'm trying to say. By doing this step, your Instagram's name will be changed. Once your Instagram's username is changed, your Threads username will automatically be changed since it's linked with Instagram. So that's how to change your username on Threads. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.